This is going to be a fun video where I've got the double purple seat cushion along with just the regular seat cushion from Purple and our mattress, right? So Purple officially doesn't have a mattress topper. They sell you their hybrid mattresses, which I tried recently at Macy's, and it was really comfortable. But I'm like, I already have a mattress. So I'm like, well, the only way to do this would be to buy these guys and put them along my back and torso, see if that kind of works. You can see that both of them are a little sticky. That's why they come with their little pouch. I'm gonna get that off of there. So the double seat cushion right here, this is a single. The size between them is pretty similar except for the height. Okay, so this is a little bit more thick. This one's a little bit more thin. So that's the main difference. Other than the gel, you can see the pattern is slightly different. And when I push down, oh wow, you could hear the difference. I mean, this one is much more squishy than this one, much more rigid and firm. All right, so just trying to lie back. Ooh, that's actually pretty comfy. And I don't feel pressure points along anything here. All right, whoa, this is the double cushion. This doesn't work. I'm very misaligned right now. It's too thick, so I'm being pushed up and then my head's being thrown back. So we've got two single cushions going on right now, increasing the length, lying down real fast. This is comfy. I feel like my butt's just lifted off and it's stretching out and just kind of floating there. It's really nice. Of course, if you're more of a side sleeper, yeah, I don't know if I could do two because my hip is way out here and like it just feels strange. This is a lot better, I think, just having one cushion on than two. This is two double seat cushions. Let's see what's going on. I mean, it's not bad. I do feel very supported again. I just think I'm so elevated off of the mattress. But I do feel very aligned. My lower back is like loving this right now. I feel like I'm being stretched down out. It's really nice. But I couldn't see myself doing this probably throughout the whole night. Let's see to the right. And yeah, there's a 0% chance I can have my hips all the way cocked out there. I mean, much better with the single, but at the same time, it's all messed up. I wouldn't do this. Let's see what the nighttime results are. Okay, it's the next day. I used this all night, and then I just felt stretched on out by the time that I woke on up. I didn't feel sore, like I had to do stretches, your morning stretch to wake on up. I felt like I already had done all of that. So it kind of gave me energy in a way, just feeling re-energized by my sleep. So if you're looking for a mattress topper, I highly recommend trying this two purple seat cushions and the purple pillow. You'll feel like you're just floating the entire night. And who doesn't want to feel like that, If you have any questions, there's the comment section below. Go ahead and ask them down there and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon.